Mumbai braces for heavy rain on 19th June 2025. 98% chance of rain expected throughout the day. Temperatures range from 26.2 degrees Celsius to 28.3 degrees Celsius. Winds may reach speeds of 38.2 kilometers per hour. Humidity remains high at 84%. Visibility drops to just 7.8 kilometers. It's the first major monsoon downpour this year. Morning starts mild. Rain worsens by midday. Heavy showers likely to continue into evening. UV index is low at 0.7 today. Strong winds persist all day long. Public transport may face delays. Drivers advised to check wipers and lights. Poor visibility demands extra caution on roads. Week ahead shows continued rainfall. 20th June forecast: moderate rain, 27.7 degrees Celsius to 30.4 degrees Celsius.